Hi everyone, how are you this morning? Just want to check in as I do on the end of the week and just see what's up for next week. So, you spent this last week thinking about attraction and love and liking who you like and how that sort of kind of came to be. And you're also writing your own attraction in the virtual world response to the questions that were posed to you in addition to your post. So make sure to get all that done. And then for this week, we're going to talk about relationships, communication, and fantasies. And you're going to think about what what's effective in a relationship, and how is communication important, and those sorts of things. You know, it's really it's probably one of the hardest things to do is to be open and honest with people, especially people that you're intimate with. But it makes for a much more productive and meaningful relationship. And it's a life skill that you kind of develop over time, but it's really good to kind of just start thinking about it as you enter into relationships throughout your lives. The other thing we're going to talk about is relationship styles. And so we're going to talk about different ways to be in a relationship and hopefully going into that discussion with an open mind and an open heart so that we don't all have to agree on what makes a good relationship, but we all have to be respectful of each other's choices, as long as it's all consensual. So have a really good week, and I look forward to reading last week's posts when they come in by today, and then I look forward to this communication as well. Take care, everyone. Bye-bye.